Hey everyone, it's Jazzy here from Greenttons with another episode of Resin-ating with Jazzy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a glow-in-the-dark resin shaker ring. Here are all the items used in this tutorial. I'll have a link in the description box on where you can purchase each of these items. Ready? Let's get started. Here I'm mixing the Glowworm glow-in-the-dark powder with the Padico UV Resin. Now I'm pouring the mixture into a Padico ring mold. I have the size large ring mold and it makes 4 different size rings. I'm going to be using the size 7. It also makes an 8, 9, and 10. Here I'm popping any air bubbles and then I'm going to add more mixture across the top of the mold, which is going to create the back or the inside of the shaker. Here I'm using a Silicone Glitter Applicator tool that I purchased from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This thing works awesome. I'll have a link in the description box. I use baby wipes to clean up around the mold before I cure it. Here I'm curing both the front and back side of the mold. Now I'm demolding the shaker part of the ring and then I'll add my embellishments. Earlier I made some miniature glow-in-the-dark Halloween pieces and now I'm going to add some glow-in-the-dark sand to the shaker mold. Now I'm taking some shaker film and I'm pressing it around the edge of the shaker that I just made, and it's leaving an impression so I can cut it with scissors. I find this is a lot easier than using a marker or a pen to trace the outline. Here I am applying a thin layer of resin to the top edge of the shaker mold and then very gently placing the shaker film on top and quickly getting it under the UV lamp to cure it. I don't push down on the shaker film because I find the resin oozes out and then it drips inside the mold and then all of your little embellishments will get cured together in one big clump. After curing the shaker film in place, I add a layer of resin to the top of the film to create a really nice dome. And then under the UV lamp it goes for another 90 seconds, and here is the finished shaker part of the ring. Now it's time to make another ring by repeating the process. We're just going to make the ring this time, no shaker embellishments. I'm doming both sides of the ring. I'm test fitting the ring for comfort and to make sure there's no sharp edges. Now I'm going to sand a flat spot on the ring and then also sand the back of the shaker mold to make sure it's nice and smooth and flat. It takes a few minutes to sand the ring flat on one side, so I do this off camera, but this will make for a really nice fit when I go to resin the two pieces together. Then I'll adhere the flat spot of the ring and cure it. It takes a little bit to align it to make sure it's perfectly centered, so you'll see me trying to eye it up. Once I have the ring lined up, I'll cure it for the final time. Time to try it on and see how it fits. I love it. Let's see what it looks like in the dark. This would be a great spooky ring for Halloween. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please hit the bell notification so you'll always know when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.